Hello everyone, it's Chuck here. I hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to take a little bit of time and go over how you add a video to your post. And it's really a very simple process. This will be a fairly short video. First thing we want to do is make sure that we are actually logged into our user account. And we can confirm that by going to the upper right hand corner of the page. You can see here that I'm clearly logged in under my account tutorials so that I can create this video tutorial. And from there, obviously you want to select the most appropriate section for your post. In this particular case, I think we'll go with general discussions. Of course, just click the new topic button to start your new topic and go ahead and enter your title. And then write something here. Go ahead and a brief description of what you're going to be posting. So this is a really cool video of a tiny house I found on YouTube. So we want to go ahead and just with like what we do with the photos, you can see where the cursor is at the end of the sentence. We'll add a period there. And so we want to hit return because that's where the video embed will be placed wherever we hit return. So from there, we're all ready to go ahead and add our video. We just need to get a video URL. Unfortunately, the forum does not support direct uploads from your device, but if there's a video on the web, we'll click the film strip button to post a video. And you can see that it supports Hulu, YouTube Long, YouTube Short, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Metacafe, Google, Facebook Legacy, and Facebook Videos. So if you have a video on you've uploaded to any of these sites, you can easily grab them and add it here. So that's what we'll do. We'll cancel this because we need to get the URL for a video. And we'll do that by going to YouTube. In this particular case, I saw this cool one of this modern tiny house, and I like that. So all we need to do is we need the URL from up here in the URL bar. So we'll copy that. Copy. Now we'll go back to the forum. And again, we'll hit the film strip button. And that just gives us an opportunity to enter the URL. And we'll click OK. Now you see that it appears as a text link. And even when you preview it, it'll still appear as a text link. But when we actually post it, it won't look like that. So by the way, the supported formats that we mentioned, those are the ones that are guaranteed to work with the forum. However, there are many other sites that support the forum. We just don't have them listed because we can't collect a list of all the sites that actually support, have video that the forum supports. But a lot of the video you find are going to be on those main sites anyways. But if you have a video on a site that wasn't listed, you can go ahead and try this method and it may or may not work. But it will definitely work with any of the supported sites that we noted already. So from here at this point, we've got everything that we need, although I do like to add a little bit of space between where the video and the text is. So I'll place my cursor at the end of my sentence and I'll hit return one time to give me a little bit of space. So now when we actually post this, as opposed to previewing where we just see the URL, when we post it, we'll actually see a video preview and a video embed. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And you can see this is what it looks like. This is your actual post. And you can confirm that it's posted by just going back. And you see here how to add video to your post. Click there. And you can play the video right here on the site. You can make it full screen if you like. And that's it. It's actually easier than adding photos, in my opinion. So if you ever feel the need or the desire to add video, we'd love to have more video content on the site, and this is how you go about doing so. If you have any questions or concerns, just hit the Contact Us link at the bottom of every page on the site and send us a message, and one of us will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk to you again soon.